Hello everyone, welcome back to Enrichment API tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how you can find employees of any company and then enrich those employees' profile. This is particularly useful when you want to build a list of employees based on a company, location, or a job title, and then retrieve the detailed professional information about each person. Let's see how it works. Once you are inside your Enrichment API dashboard, navigate to the Employee Finder API. Here, you'll find the request parameter that allow you to define exactly which company's employees you're looking for. The first field is company name. For this example, I search for Stripe. You can make your search more specific by adding additional filters. For example, you can enter a location and a role or a title filter. If I'm specifically looking for engineers, I can enter engineer. There is also an option to provide company domain. In this case, I'll use stripe.com. These filters allow you to narrow down the employee search. Once you have entered your parameters, click Try Now. The API will now return the employees matching your search criteria. As you can see, we have list of employees along with their names and LinkedIn profiles. For each result, you can see person's name, the current role at the company, and the additional information that can help you to identify the right person. The LinkedIn profile URL is particularly important here because we can use that URL as an input for our Person Enrichment API. You can also switch to JSON tab if you want to retrieve these results in a structured format for programmatic use. Now let's take this one step further. Once you have list of employees and their LinkedIn URLs, you can pass those profile URLs into Person Enrichment API. For example, let's take one LinkedIn profile from our employees result. I'll copy the LinkedIn URL and open the Person Enrichment API. I'll simply paste the LinkedIn profile URL into the profile URL field and click Try Now. Enrichment API will then process the profile and return the available professional information in a structured format. In the response data, you can see person's name, current company, about section, experience, education, and other professional information. So overall workflow is very simple. You'll give the company name to Employee Finder API and you get employee list with their LinkedIn URLs. And then these LinkedIn URL will pass to Person Enrichment API and you'll get detailed professional information about the employees. If you want to automate this entire process, you can use the Get Code option available on the API pages. You can select your preferred programming language such as Python, JavaScript, Go, PHP, Java, and others. And then you can use this generated code to integrate Employee Finder and Person Enrichment API directly into your own application or your workflow. And that's how easy it is to use Enrichment API to find employees of any companies and then enrich their professional profiles. So if you have any questions or need help to integrate, feel free to reach out to our support teams using the email address provided in description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.